My name is Patrik Wermlinger. I'm Head of Investment Promotion and member of the Executive Committee at Switzerland Global Enterprise. Switzerland Global Enterprise is the national investment and trade promotion agency. We support Swiss SMEs on their expansion and internationalization process, and on the same time inform foreign companies about the attractiveness of Switzerland with the aim to attract foreign direct investment. We are a private, non-profit organization with 100 people in Switzerland, and we are mandated from the Swiss government when it comes to export promotion and from the government and the 26 cantons when it comes to investment promotion. So in the mandate of investment promotion, we first of all inform innovative, growing, Europe-addressing companies about the strategic advantage of setting up a company in Switzerland. We do that mainly in 10 countries worldwide. When we met the companies, then try to understand their criteria to grow their business, to expand their business, and how Switzerland can really be a part of it to make them more successful, more competitive. Once we've understood that, we forward the project to the Swiss cantons, which then at the second step follow up with the company trying to get them into their specific area and canton in Switzerland. We see trends in Fintech industry first of all, as well in the blockchain industry. That's also a reason why we now have selected this topic, one of 5 technology for the future. Blockchain is one of the core technologies Switzerland will position the country and its ecosystem even stronger in future. Aside blockchain, we will build on our unique advantages in robotics and drones, in artificial intelligence, in personalized health, and in advanced manufacturing. Last centuries have shown that we have done pretty well in doing this initiative, preserving the right values, but still being innovative on the other side to enable growth, adding the right companies to our ecosystem. So this is a delicate way going forward in the regulation side, but we did manage quite well in the past. And what's going on now, it's really with the new opportunities the technology bring, the Swiss regulator is really open to listen to the needs of the industry, together with the Ministry of Finance, and as well at the end Swiss citizens who will vote on certain laws which will be changed. So it's a really bottom-up democratic process again, to the benefit of a long-term solution. I think this spirit is what companies like. They need to be in an environment where their business model is in good hands, in a safe place on the long run, because if they want to interact with the intermediaries around the globe and want to get investments into their company, those will be the questions they need to answer. And Switzerland provides that answer on a long tradition with the future outlook. I wouldn't say challenges, but of course, if you're depending on really a couple of key talents, it's not that Switzerland has them on every corner as well. It's a place where it's a mixed initiative to first recruit and advertise the jobs locally. But then we have a very positive and open migration concept and system also to attract talents from abroad. The ease of recruiting key talents is one of the strengths of Switzerland. So it's not that hard sell to the talents to come to Switzerland and work there, have the family in one of the Swiss educational institutions and enjoying a good and high quality of life. So I think talent is one point. The second point can be ease of setting up a business. We've seen other countries which have faster approach today to that answer, but still we are learning from the best and trying to improve as well on that side. So I would think setting up a company and talents are the topics you need to be aware that it will take a step longer than elsewhere. It's a very stable and secure environment where solidity and trust and also innovation will be realized, because as well in the innovative environment, so what's coming out of the universities is easily and fastly transferred into the industry, to product, to market. I think this interaction in the ecosystem between industry, academia, investors is a triangle which works quite well in Switzerland. It's in many ways helpful. First of all, they could reduce their costs by centralizing functions in Switzerland, so it's a more efficient way. Also driven by very mild tax climate for company profit accumulated in Switzerland, that's one thing. More than that, it's also a center for global management supply, so all the supply chains which are organized to Switzerland gains in effectivity. You have all the talents there. And it helps you branding your product. When you have your company in Switzerland and go global with the Swiss address and the Swiss brand in all your services and product, it helps you sometimes even to ask more money for your product because it comes out of Switzerland and customers are paying more for that same product just if you brand it Switzerland. So it comes along with quality, it comes along with trust, it comes along with technology, which is all in your Swiss entity when you reach out to the global market. We've seen that in the last 3 years, they established themselves in Switzerland over 500 times. So 500 startups in only 3 years. Some of the leading experts and future and forefront runners are in Switzerland. It's an ecosystem which we saw growing faster than it grew everywhere else. It's an interaction again with lawyers, with the tech guys, with the regulator, with institutions, with associations, with the academia, which have done research labs specifically on blockchain to address, how to implement it into different industries. I think it's now the moment of scaling up this great initiative into various industries. Switzerland is ready for that. We see that growth. It's an open invitation to everyone to join. Switzerland Global Enterprise is globally present with their Swiss business hubs. Those are people work at the Swiss embassy. So if you find out that, yes, I'm interested in Switzerland, please go to the local Swiss embassy or go on the website s-g.com/invest. There you see where globally our Swiss business hubs are located. We have experts there which can answer first-hand questions to you and then start a process in getting you in touch with the right person in Switzerland. Those services are free of charge for you. It's a service of the Swiss government together with the Swiss cantons and something you definitely try and leverage to grow your business, having Switzerland at the core.